In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iOS 14 or above. So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Normally, the main reason that you're going to be facing this problem is mostly out of the internet connection you're on. So if you are on a bad internet connection, make sure that you switch it. You can also try to use a mobile data. If you're on the mobile data and you're still having problems, then try to turn on your airplane mode on and then turn it off after immediately, and then it will refresh your network connection. If none of those work, simply head into the settings tab just like this and head into general and scroll all the way down until you find transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and then click on reset network settings right over here. Now, once you've done that, then you're most likely not going to face any problem. If you have any VPN turned on, then I would highly recommend you to disable any active VPN services as they can interfere with connectivity. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.